Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock Pixel World. To start your journey, you'll first need to reach player level 10. Once you've achieved that, make your way to the Whispering Woods and find the ancient portal. This is your gateway to the quest line. Be sure to speak with the Elder of Lumina, who will provide you with your initial task and guide you on the path to unlocking this exciting new area. It's an adventure worth pursuing. Next, you'll focus on gathering essential items. You'll need to collect 5 shimmering shards, which drop from various enemies throughout the game world. Additionally, acquire 3 arcane runes by successfully completing your daily challenges. These are crucial for activating the portal. Finally, visit the Grand Merchant in the Central Plaza and trade 1,000 gold coins for a portal key fragment. These items are vital for your progress. With your items in hand, return to the ancient portal. You'll find an ancient altar nearby where you must combine the shimmering shards, arcane runes, and portal key fragment. This action will activate a rune puzzle that you need to solve within a 2-minute time limit. Be quick and precise. After successfully completing the puzzle, prepare to face the Guardian of the Gate. Defeating this formidable foe is the final test before the portal fully opens. Congratulations! Once the Guardian is defeated, the ancient portal will fully activate. Simply step through to enter the vibrant and expansive Pixel World. This new realm offers a wealth of opportunities, including entirely new zones to explore and unique creatures to encounter. You'll also unlock exclusive quests that provide valuable rewards and further your adventure. Enjoy discovering all the secrets and wonders that Pixel World has to offer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.